If there were like Olympics, my cells would, they would be the top athletes. I don't know what the events would be, but my cells would win. Athletes. What else? I sent an email to Wendy's today. Got a milkshake. Been drinking a lot of milkshakes and smoothies. Really good. I like beverages, period. Like, I drink a lot of water. People comment on it a lot. A lot of water, a lot of tea, a lot of just liquids. Consume a lot. So the very idea that I can get a meal in liquid form is like genius. So I've taken up drinking milkshakes and smoothies, and I got this Wendy's milkshake, and I sent an email to the company, and I'll let you determine how I feel about their milkshake. I'll read it to you. Email I sent to Wendy's by Christy. I love the Wendy's menu, love the food, but your strawberry milkshake is god-awful. You really need to work on the flavor or remove it from the menu. Milkshakes and smoothies are the staple of my diet, and as such, I've tasted milkshakes from probably over hundreds of locations. The strawberry milkshake you make is really, really flagrantly bad. P.S. In case inquiring minds want to know, despite my milkshake smoothie diet, I'm not a 400-pound disgruntled American. It's important to note that. I'm not a 400-pound disgruntled American. I've simply been in school for the past 9 years, and liquid sugar is the best stimulus for long lab hours and abusively high amount of reading. Not trying to be rude, just letting you know this product is a complete failure. Sincerely, Christy, grad student. And I put the location in. It's kind of weird because like when I worked jobs, many jobs, I always thought like, who gives feedback? Who fills out those customer forms? Who goes home and sends an email to companies? And as I get older, I realize I do that. I send emails. So I've taken, it's like a little, not exactly a hobby because it's not that frequent, but I've taken to letting companies know what I feel about them, good and bad. And the good ones, I always get like pretty funny. It's weird because when you send like a positive feedback, they always kind of understand the humor, and you get something back from like a person who's charismatic. Like you can tell in the email, it's a fun person, someone I'd like to work with if I ever wanted to work in like Wendy's business, but or these other companies. And then when you send a bad one, like when they do give you emails back, it's like, hundreds of people like our product, or like hundreds of people like these strawberry milkshakes, which is incredibly stupid. Like if someone tells you that they're displeased with something, you don't just tell them, well, other people like it. Like how 8 years old is that? It's very, very strange. But I guess that's why these people are working for Wendy's. No offense, because I like to eat. I like food. It's just not very intelligent responses. Oh, what else? My life is pretty boring, if you can't tell from these videos. More on the school side. We kind of finished classes, so now we had these things called pro seminars. And basically you get a lot of reading, and you read the reading, and then you sit in a group and discuss it. And the group is me, 2 other girls who are also second year PhD students, and then a scientist, and the scientist is like different each time. And you just sit there and discuss it. Those are pretty good. I'm a lot better at those than like school, in real school. Very bad at like school and classes and stuff. I hate it because like tests, I always feel like I know so much more than they measure, so it's like, why bother? But these are good, the discussions. So we're doing that, and then at the end of next year we take comps, which I like to call competencies, but everyone explains to me that they're called something else I can't remember right now. Competencies. I don't know. I think I've mentioned this in another video though. So anyways, at the end of next year we take comps. I think I have talked about this before. And or not the end of next year, next fall. Anyway, it really doesn't matter. Yeah, that's about all I have to say, I think. Fascinating life, I know. Actually, how about we do this? Although this is a channel to my mom, who also doubled as Santa Claus in this video, in case you didn't catch on to that, surprise. Although it's a video to her, why don't you, viewers, if you want to know anything, like if you want to hear me talk about school stuff or about About emails I send to companies? No, I don't do it that frequently. I'm kind of embarrassed to be that person. But anyways, whatever you want to hear, why don't you let me know and I'll talk about it. And keep it, remember, this is a channel for my mom, so keep it, yeah, yeah, yeah. I guess knives don't make gun sounds. That's why I could never defend myself. It's still hot here, which is great. I had a dream last night that it was snowing. I woke up screaming, no. Bye.